Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Tarpapel on Canva. So in this tutorial, we're going to use two apps or two websites to make a Tarpapel. And the first one is of course Canva. We're going to use Canva to source out our designs for our Tarpapel. So start by searching in the search bar. Search for your desired design. So in my case, I'm just going to search for a tarpaulin design. So I'm just going to type this in and press enter. Next is pick your desired designs from the pre-made templates and click on it. Now customize the template. Now you have an option to modify this design, change texts, change background colors. Then once you're satisfied with your design, export this. Just click on the share button. Then download this to JPG or PNG file. Then click on download. You can also export it to PDF file. Then next in a new tab, we're going to use an app called DocuSlice. So head over to app.docuslice.com. Then at the bottom left corner of your screen, click on poster and modify the number of pages and size of your Tarpapel. Starting with create how many rows and how many columns. Then next is the size of the Tarpapel as a whole. You can also choose templates. Then just close this window. And from there, you can now start uploading your design from Canva. So since our file is a JPG file, we're just going to click on this icon. Then select our design, open it, then adjust it to your preference. You can also once again click on the resize button and have an option to fit and stretch, keep ratio, or cover it up. Our design will then be cropped in 6 pieces with these lines, with this one being the first page, second page, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And once done, you can head over and export this by clicking on this icon. Then once again, click on the share button. The last step is sign in to proceed and have an access to your Tarpapel. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!